A balanced diet is one that provides all the essential nutrients in the right proportions to maintain health, vitality, and energy. It includes a variety of foods from all the food groups to ensure the intake of necessary vitamins, minerals, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Important nutrients in a balanced diet include the following: carbohydrates as the primary source of energy, proteins essential for growth, repair, and maintenance of body tissues, fats necessary for energy, cell function, and the absorption of certain vitamins, vitamins vital for various biochemical functions, minerals important for bone health, nerve function, enzyme activity, and muscle contraction, fiber aids in digestion and helps maintain healthy bowel movements, water crucial for hydration, digestion, and overall bodily functions. Having a balanced diet is beneficial for health in a variety of ways. It helps maintain overall health and reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and provides consistent energy throughout the day. A balanced diet also helps in maintaining a healthy weight. Other benefits of a balanced diet include the following: improves mood and cognitive function, strengthens the immune system, promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation, contributes to the health and appearance of skin and hair. Foods to include in a balanced diet include fruits such as apples, bananas, berries, oranges, and grapes. Vegetables such as leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, and root vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Proteins including lean meats, fish, eggs, legumes, nuts, seeds, and tofu. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt, preferably low-fat or fat-free. Healthy fats such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish. For hydration, you can add water, herbal teas, and occasional fresh fruit juices. Incorporating a variety of these foods ensures a balanced intake of all essential nutrients, supporting overall health and well-being. An ideal food plate for a balanced diet contains proteins, 1/4 of the plate, carbohydrates, another quarter of the plate, and the remaining half should contain fruits and vegetables.